I'm delighted to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you gathered here today. My name is Noshina Dakokar, and I'm joined by Sei More and Vandana Kaki, and it is a pleasure to be your hostesses for today. So let's dive in and make today unforgettable.
Hello, and a very wondrous morning, ladies and gentlemen. A heartfelt welcome to this outstanding, beautiful, and auspicious day that ties together so many unique people like you. I'm Say Shashank More, and today I have the immense pleasure of being your hostess for this day. We are honored for giving us this opportunity to come and present this astonishing, cultural, and colorful event, Shiv Jayanti, in front of you all today.
Very good, Darshana and Sai, very good. 33 कोटी देवांच्या आधी हिंदू स्वराज्याच्या दैवताला आणि महाराष्ट्रावर भगवा फडकविणाऱ्या सिंहाला करोडो तोफांचा लाखो मनांचा त्या 350 वर्षांच्या प्रत्येक क्षणांचा सह्याद्रीच्या रांगांचा आणि महाराजांमुळेच घेत असलेल्या मोकळ्या श्वासांचा मानाचा मुजरा. श्री गणेशाला आणि माता सरस्वतीला अंतःकरणापासून नमन करून मी वंदना इथापे आजच्या शिवजयंती 2025 मध्ये आपल्या सगळ्यांचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. आपल्या आयुष्यातील प्रत्येक सुख हे विघ्नहर्त्याच्या काना इतकं मोठं असावं, आपले दुःख उंदरा एवढं लहान असावं आणि प्रत्येक क्षण हा मोदकाप्रमाणे गोड असावा, नाही का? चला तर मग आज विघ्नहर्त्याला नमन करून आजच्या आपल्या पुढच्या कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात करूया.
Let's begin with an acknowledgement of country. We respectfully acknowledge the past, present, and traditional owners of this land on which we are meeting, the Whadjuk Noongar people. It is a privilege to be standing on Whadjuk Noongar country. Today, we have Neil and his group who are here to perform their traditional dances and show us all their beautiful cultural heritage. Please welcome them.